to another video. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Kelly, and this is Local in Seattle.
And today we are having a chili cook-off tailgate party.
Woo! It's a tailgate. People are excited. We are going to see who likes what chili more. Kelly's chili, Andrew's chili.
My chili is like reminiscent of my hometown. I'm gonna have Fritos in it.
My chili, which is more important, is ground beef, and it has some honey and some beer in it.
Which I feel like the beer is gonna help you because it's a tailgate, but we'll see.
Maybe just, you know, people will like me more and vote for me.
Probably.
I'm cooking cowboy beef black bean chili. The secret weapon's in mine. Honey and a can of beer. Andrew, can you Google how you cut an onion?
And then you go like, how did I know that?
My mom is so disappointed.
I'm making beefsteak green chili, but here's the kicker. My secret ingredient is going to be Fritos. I'm actually from Knoxville, Tennessee, and that is where the invention of the Petro, we call it, started. I think people now just call it like a chili pie. Look at that. It's coming out in squares already. Check out the table. Full table.
It looks nice if nothing else.
Let's be real, the chili's gonna be good. We had a lot of help. We're gonna scoop it up, and there's trophies, you guys.
Yes. We're excited. We're gonna get some people to try it and vote on which one they like more.
Chili cook-off.
Chili cook-off.
You like chili or what?
Oh, wow. Something different in that one.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
You're not going to like this, Kelly, but I think Andrew's is the...
Oh my God!
Good, but could use a little bit more like seasoning.
So would you say maybe you're not completely pleased with your current chili and you would like to try another chili maybe?
I might try another chili.
Can I get this?
Not yet, that's for us.
That's for me.
No, for
Kelly's,
whoever wins.
you can have Kelly's, the second place one.
It's good.
The bomb.
So you're mixing mine into hers.
I'm mixing the better one into the
I guess I'll just go home.
Chili?
Chili? Oh my God. Oh my God.
How much?
Oh my God, this is too hard. I'm gonna have to go with the beer. Sorry. Sorry, Andrew. I finally got a point.
Enjoy it.
Thank you. Things are turning around. I'm gonna go with this one. Totally turned around. Let that be known. 4 in a row.
I actually had to choose spoons because I don't want to cross-contaminate
Good thinking.
the taste scheme.
Oh, just like anything crunchy, so I'm already a fan of this one.
If you had to eat one for the whole night.
I would eat this one for the whole night.
This one got a little soggy.
Not a
waiting.
single guy has liked my chili.
Well, I don't not like it.
Well,
I don't really know who won.
I don't either.
Here's the thing, I feel like every guy voted for you. Not a single guy liked my chili. Every girl liked mine. So what does that mean? How many guys tried yours and how many girls tried mine?
I don't know. I think some of yours were rigged. I'm not gonna lie.
It's not rigged. It was not rigged.
Well, I've had a lot of chili.
Because I'm nice and it's near your birthday.
Thanks for watching.
I'll give you that one.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for watching.
We should put chili in this.
Ooh, let's do it. I'm gonna make a huge mess.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Cheers.
Bye.
Want to cook up your own chili?
Go to wildbeef.org to find a chili recipe for your next tailgate.